While markets are little lackluster today, Kavita,
Absolutely.
not momentum from any side other
Right.
than FMCG, all other sectors are the laggards.
Absolutely. So the market is trading lower today. Also, the investor sentiment has turned slightly cautious following the ambiguous signals that we are getting from the US officials regarding delay in the proposed tariff hikes. And also, crude has played an impact over here where the prices have edged low with OPEC Plus increasing their output, which is more than anticipated. Now, that has already added to market jitters. But also, as Ankur also highlighted, in terms of sectors, we are seeing Nifty IT, metal, and media indices are under pressure. But then FMCG pack is definitely in action. Also, a boost that we got from the Q1 estimate update. And PSU Bank pack, this is really doing well today. We'll be discussing more on this on the show ahead. But then consumer durables, oil and gas sector also rose up to almost 0.5%, 1 to 0.5%. But if we look at the top losers for the day so far, defense pack is really not doing good. We've seen counters going down to 6%, BEL. But also, if we look at other sectors, counters like Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, Eicher Motors, Maruti, these are the top losers so far in the early trade. But in contrast, if we look at Trent, Asian Paints, Bajaj, Finserv, Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank, they have opened on a positive note. But then, since I was talking about the defense pack, look at Paras Defense, Bharat Dynamics, Garden Reach, Bharat Forge. We are looking at almost 2.5 to 6% downturn in today's trade. And also the broader markets are not really participating. If we look at the Nifty Mid Cap 100, it is in a negative territory, 1%, 0.2% downturn. And the same thing is for Nifty Small Cap also, 0.5% down. The market breadth is also not in a very positive territory. NSE decline, we can see almost 1,042 advances and 1624 declines. So it's a very lower trading day, but then we still have a lot of stock specific action going on, a lot of news specific action going on, which Ankur will be discussing up in the show as well.
Yes, definitely. But one good thing about market currently is Nifty is not breaching 25,400 mark, and that is continuing. To discuss